Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, video tech, DJI products, all your drone needs right here on this channel. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Today what I want to talk about, we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away some propellers for the drone of your choice. So if it's the DJI Mavic 3, the Mini 3, the DJI Mini 2, Air 2S, Air 2, whichever you want, we're giving away a set of propellers. And you only have to do 3 things to get into this contest and win and get the propellers of your choice. The first thing you have to do is go to the last 5 videos and like each of those videos. Give them a thumbs up. The second thing you have to do, subscribe to the channel. And then the third thing that you have to do is go under each of those 5 videos and put which drone you want your propellers for. And that's all you have to do. So there you have it. That's all you have to do to get in the contest and get your chance to win. Good luck out there. Subscribe, like, upvote those last 5 videos, and you got a good shot of winning. See you soon.